So, g'day people, how you going? Today's phrase is to kick the can down the road. So, when you kick the can down the road, what are you doing? So, we have a can. I don't have one with me. I lost it. So, you have a can in the road. And you need to put it in the rubbish bin because it's no good. It's no good. So, what do? You go and put it in the rubbish bin. But if you kick the can down the road, get it and you just kick the bastard down the road. And it goes down the road until it hits the ground. And then it's far away from the rubbish bin. But then you've been told you have to pick it up, put it in the rubbish bin. So you have to walk all that way down the road, pick up the can, walk back, put it in the rubbish bin. So that's basically what you're doing. So what does that mean? It means you're delaying doing something that you should have done in the first place. So when you're kicking the can down the road, it means, you got to make a car payment on the car you bought, and you missed one. So you're kicking the can down the road. You have to make up that payment later on. Next month, you have to put 2 payments on. So in the short term, it might be good. In the long term, it's going to be very, very painful. So I hope you understand and learned this term, to kick the can down the road, and use it in any English speaking world, because this is a very common term around the English speaking world. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome English speaking time, people. Bye bye.